Good morning students. This is computer subject and my name is Miss Khushbu. I am your computer teacher and in this video we will learn about the keyboard. That is lesson 5 in your computer book. So children, in this video you will learn about keyboard, what are the uses of keyboard, and children, what are the keys? What are the keys present on the keyboard? Children, this is the picture of computer. As you can see on the board, this is the picture of computer. This is monitor. Monitor is the screen of the computer. This is CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer and full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. This is mouse. With the help of mouse, children, we select, we draw, we play games on the computer, and this is keyboard. There are many keys on the keyboard and with the help of keyboard we do typing. We type on the computer. So now children, let us study about keyboard. See, this is keyboard. This is keyboard. Can you see? Yes, this is keyboard. It is an important part of computer. And children, you can see there are so many buttons on the keyboard. You can see all these buttons. There are so many buttons on the keyboard and the small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. The small buttons that are present on the keyboard, they are called keys. And what is the spelling of keys? Spelling of keys is K-E-Y-S, keys. The small buttons that are present on the keyboard are called keys. Now children, when you work on the computer, if you want to write something, on the computer, then how you will write, children? With the help of keyboard you will write. So what you will do, you will press the keys. You will press the keys, then only you can write on the computer. Now children, when you press the keys on the keyboard that are present on the keyboard, it is called typing. Pressing the keys on the keyboard is called typing. And what is the spelling of typing? The spelling of typing is T-Y-P-I-N-G. Okay children, so when you will press the keys on the keyboard, it is called typing. When you will press the keys on the keyboard, when you will do typing, the letters will come on the monitor. Now children, when you will do the typing, you will see one small line on the monitor. On the computer screen, you will see one small line. This is a blinking small line. It comes and goes. It just blinks fast. And this blinking line is called cursor. And children, this blinking line is called cursor. Okay, so children, you learn the spellings also. This is very important. Now children, let us study about the different keys that are present on the keyboard. Okay, we will study about alphabet keys, number keys, space bar key, enter key, arrow keys, backspace key and delete key. About all these keys we will study. Okay, now this is keyboard, children. This is keyboard. First I will show you all the keys on the keyboard, then I'll explain. Okay, this is keyboard. First, alphabet keys. So children, you can see alphabets here. See, A, B, C, D and all. You can see the alphabets. So these keys are called alphabet keys. These keys are called alphabet keys. Now next is number keys. You can see up here one line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. And here also number keys are there. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So these are number keys. Next one is space bar key. The longest key that is on the keyboard. The longest key that is present on the keyboard is called space bar key. Next one is enter key. This is enter key. Okay. Then arrow keys. Now as you can see, 4 arrows are here. Right, left, up and down, and these 4 keys are called arrow keys. Then backspace key, it is already written there. This is backspace key and this is delete key. Okay children, now children, you have to learn the spelling of all these keys. That is very important. Write and learn it 5 times. Now children, I'll explain you about all the keys one by one. Now children, let us study about alphabet keys. First I'll show you alphabet keys on the keyboard. Just see, these are the alphabet keys. These are the alphabet keys. That is Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. See, all the alphabets are mentioned on these keys, and so they are called alphabet keys. Now children, why do we use alphabet keys? We use alphabet keys to type letters. Suppose I want to write my name on the computer. My name is Khushbu. So what are the keys I will press to write my name on the computer, children? I'll press the letters, that is K, H, U, S, H, B, U. Okay, so these are the letters I will press, these are the keys I will press, and so my name will come on the monitor. Okay children, so we use alphabet keys to type letters. Now children, you can type letters, small letter also, and you can also type big letters. Both the letters you can type, but for that you have to press caps lock key, or you have to use shift key. But children, this you will study in higher class. Okay. Now children, let us study about number keys. Why do we use number keys? We use number keys to type numbers. Now see children, the first line, here numbers are mentioned. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. And here also numbers are mentioned, that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. Numbers are mentioned. So you can type numbers with the help of these number keys. Now children, suppose I want to write 13. But there is no 13, no key of 13 number. So how you will write 13 on the monitor? For that you have to press 1 and 3. So when you will press 1 and 3, it will write like this, 13. Okay. So to type numbers on the key or on the monitor, you have to press the number keys. Now children, our next key is a space bar key. I'll show you. This is a space bar key, and it is also the longest key on the keyboard. See, this is a space bar key. This is the longest key on the keyboard. Now children, why do we use a space bar key? We use a space bar key to give a space between two words. To give a space between two words, we use a space bar key. Now children, I am writing one sentence. What is written here children? Can you see what is, you can see what is written, but can you make out what it is written? No. But children, now if I will give a space between the words, this is one word, this is the second word, and this is the third word. This is cat. Now children, I have given a space between the words, and so we can read the sentence easily. This is cat. So children, we use a space bar key to give a space between two words. Next key is enter key. Children, here is enter key, and see the sign of enter key. Just see the sign of enter key. This is the arrow of enter key. It is like this. Okay, so you have to remember this. This is enter key. Now children, why do we use enter key? We use enter key to move to the next line. Suppose children, on first line I want to write bag. Okay, cursor is here. Now I want to write the next word in the next line. So you have to press enter key, so the cursor will move to the next line, and then you can write the next word and a cursor will come here. Now again you want to write the other word on the third line. Again you have to press enter key, cursor will come here, and you write the other word. So children, to move to the next line you have to press enter key. Our next key is arrow keys. Okay, now children, why do we use arrow keys? We use arrow keys to move the cursor up, down, right and left. As you can see children, there are 4 arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys: up, down, right and left. Okay, these are the 4 arrow keys. Now children, these arrow keys are used to move the cursor up. The up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. The down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Okay, the right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right hand side, and the left arrow key is used to move the cursor to the left side. So arrow keys are used to move the cursor up, down, right and left. Children, now let us study about backspace key. Just see the arrow of the backspace key and delete key. Let us study about backspace key and delete key. Now children, both the keys are used to delete or remove words and numbers. If you have done any mistake, so just to correct that, you can use backspace key or delete key. Both the keys are used to remove words or numbers. But children, there is a little difference. What difference is there? Just listen carefully. With the help of backspace key, you can remove the letters from the left hand side, and with the help of delete keys, you can remove the letters of the right hand side. Let us see how. Children, I am writing 2 words on the board. Okay, just see. Bird I have written here also, and bird I have written here also, and in both the words cursor is here. Okay, in both the words cursor is here. Now if the cursor is here, now in this bird I will press backspace key. Okay, in this bird I will press backspace key, cursor is here, and in this bird I will press delete key, cursor is here. Now what will happen? When you will press backspace key in this bird, it will remove the letter that is on the left side. It will remove the letter that is on the left side. But if you will press delete key, it will remove the letter that is on the right side. It will remove the letter that is on the right side. So this is the difference, children. Backspace key and delete key, both the keys are used to remove words or numbers, but backspace key deletes from the left side and delete key remove the letters from the right side. Okay children, now children, we have studied about alphabet keys, number keys, space bar key, enter key, arrow keys, backspace key and delete key. Children, learn the spellings. Okay, this is very important. You have to learn with the spellings. Now children, let us do the exercise that is given on page number 39. Fill in the missing letters to complete the names of the keys. You have to fill the letters and you have to complete the names. First one is alphabet, A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T, alphabet. Second one is backspace, B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C-E, backspace. Then next one is number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Then fourth one is delete, D-E-L-E-T-E, delete. Fifth one is space bar, S-P-A-C-E-B-A-R, space bar. Okay. Now write in color. Write your mother's name. My mother name is Meera, so I have written my mother's name, and you write, children, your mother's name. Number 2, color the alphabet keys blue for the letters you need to type your mother's name. So my mother name is Meera, so first I'll color the alphabet, that is M. With blue you have to color, then I, then R, and then A. Or you have to use blue color and you have to color it. Number 3, write your birth date. My birth date is 13. Color the number keys red for the numbers you need to type your birth date. Now you have to color the numbers of your birth date with red. Mine is 13, so I'll color 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is 13. Okay children, do the exercise and learn this.